We want to turn an old laptop screen into a light source. It's this thing here. Used to belong to my laptop until I dropped the laptop and the screen, yeah, it cracked. You can't see it so well here, but there's like crack lines going across like this, and the screen doesn't stay on anymore. Yep, absolutely useless. I want to cut the end of this off because we'll be using the wires to do some soldering to connect up to the board. So let's use this. I wonder how long this is going to take me. Really, it's only a small electronics task, so, but you never know what I'm going to mess up. There we go. Now, which one's plus and which one's minus? No, come on. Ah! There we go. Is there anyone in chat? Whoa, how many? Well, hopefully those volts are going to drop. Let's wire this up. How about positive? I got that one all straight away. Now the real tricky bit is going to be finding the pads on the circuit board on the back of the panel. They're really bloody tiny. And my eyesight's not getting any better with age. Positive. Hey, you're positive. Stay positive. So what we got here? We've got our positive. We've got our 5 volts. If it was 12 volts, who knows? And that'll be our ground. Here's one messy workspace. It's normally my dining table. Not that I use it as a dining table. Red one. Solder the pad first. Yeah. That'll work. Done it. Right. We'll take that approach for the other ones. But I also want to take this down so it doesn't flap about in the breeze. Yeah, thanks. Solder pad first. Damn it! Now you tell me. Careful. Shouldn't have done that. Right. And I'll leave these floating about, and I can plug it in now. Let's stand this up. Let's point it that way so I don't blind myself. Let's prop it up against this if I can. This is a moment of truth. Right, let's plug it in. There's the power. Let's you can see. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Oh my god, you can see. Okay, so this is the damage. You can quite clearly see. That's when I dropped the laptop. Fortunately, it was just the screen that buggered up. Everything else seems to be fine. So this is actually will actually be brighter. I've got to take out the actual LCD bit element from here. So let's do that. Let's unplug it first. No idea what I'm going to use this for. We'll see how effective the light is. Take off the frame, the metal frame. How did I do it before? Oh, we want to start from the other side. You can see there's a little lap where it's latched on. So it's just a case of prying it off. Let's put them down the side as well. Now we want to take this down, tape everything down. That's the theme of the day. Go. That is the broken piece itself. And as you can see through it. And this is the actual piece where the signals from your computer, your laptop, whatever, goes through here, makes the image available on the screen itself. There's my burn mark, you can see. Lovely job there, Chris. Power it on again. Wow! It's a lot brighter in person. Wow, actually, that. So, my hand with LED light. Yes. Hello. And that's with this over the top, which, yeah, it's like the DIY Perks guy says, it projects the light forward as opposed to sending it in every direction, which if I do that, it feels a lot brighter now. It is a lot brighter looking at it directly on. Cool. But if I step back, it's more diffused, not so bright. Okay, sweet. Yeah, this has now got a new purpose. Don't know where I'm going to put it. I was maybe even thinking making something out of woods, perhaps. Don't know. What's that then? If I come up with an idea of something to house this in, maybe turn it into some sort of lamp or something. I've got to brainstorm this. Maybe I can film doing the woodworking or whatever. Yeah. Right, I'm going to call it a day. Even the elevator music has given up.